Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Danfoss ICAD actuator. This will work on a 600, a 900, or a 1200, and you need to do a factory reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with your actuator not responding or not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new system and you just want to get it back to the way it was right when it came out of the box, so that you can set it up new. We can go ahead and do that pretty simply. All we're going to do to do this hard reset is we're going to first remove power from the actuator. And then with power removed from the actuator, we're going to come in and press and hold the up and down arrows simultaneously. And we're going to hold those for a couple seconds, and after that we're going to restore power to the unit, all the while holding the up and down arrows. And when we see it start up, we can go ahead and then let go of the arrows. And then we'll know it worked when this little display will begin flashing alternatively CAA1, CAA1. That indicates that the reset has been complete, and we can go ahead and set it up again as a new device.